Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome back. So today we're going to be trying on and talking about my all-time favorite Kylie Cosmetics products. I don't know why more people are not talking about these, and if they are, I'm clearly living under a rock. But if you want to see me demo, tutorial, talk about, rave about these current products that I am absolutely loving from Kylie Cosmetics, then keep watching. And of course, as usual, can you tell I really like this Kylie mirror? Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and be sure to check out any links that I have in the description box. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna start with the eyes, and I have not seen much hype around this collection, and I don't know why, because it was so good. This is the Kylie Cosmetics Ulta Holiday Collection from 2020. She released this around Christmas. These are products that were strictly sold at Ulta. It's her Holiday Duo palette, so it comes with one little palette here and then another one here, and these are literally so cute. I absolutely love how she set these up, because even though like I know how to do makeup, I hate looking at a palette and there's like so many colors and it's like, oh, what colors do I want to use? What goes with what? I hate doing that, and these are so perfect because they come already in a set that would go together and that you could like mix and match well. So this is the like warm toned palette and then the cool tone palette, and I love them both equally. So I'm gonna do a look with both of them to show you like how versatile these are. What I like to do with these, I like to start with the transition colors. She also names these so cute. I absolutely love Kylie's current eyeshadow formula. I don't know if they've improved it over the years or what, but these shadows are so good, and I just love that they're so versatile. I'm gonna take Slay All Day, which is this like peachy color. Oh, I got my mirror. And I'm gonna put that in the crease. Now, what I also love about these is that these particular palettes, you could do so much with these. Like you could do a day look, you could do a night look, you could do a glam look, you could do a natural look. I kind of go right in the middle of like glam and neutral. And then we're gonna take Warm Me Up, which is like this kind of like a light brown, and I'm putting that like right under. And also about these, which like, I just love these palettes so much. They blend so easily. Like you could see that really didn't take me much time at all. Look how seamless it looks. I mean, that literally took what? All of 10 seconds. I don't use this color too much. It's more orangey. It's not the vibe that I'm trying to go. So my crease is done. Then what I normally do is I pick between one of the pressed shimmer shades. This is more of a pressed glitter. This is more of a shimmer. I'm actually gonna put this one on and then this over it so you can see the difference. But what I normally do is I take my finger and I really swirl it around in there. Just go over my whole lid. You could probably get away with it just like this, but I'm gonna show you what I do to make them really pop. I take my finger again and I just do. And I take my Smashbox primer water and I spray my finger really lightly. And then I go over it with what I just did with shadow on my finger. And then it just makes it glisten a little bit more. I think that's super pretty, and I could leave it like that, but I'm gonna show you how I amp it up in just a few minutes. So once I get to this part, I will take tighter packed blending brush for underneath my lower lash line, and I will take those two colors that I used for my transition shade, the Slay All Day and the Warm Me Up, and I'll just go like this. And you guys, I'm not kidding, Kylie really does it right. She really does. Like, I just love her stuff lately. Boom, lower lash line, done. Then what I do is I deepen up the outer corner with this dark color, this like mocha brown, Gingerbread Dreams. I just take a brush like this. I don't even know what brush is this. This is a Morphe brush, I know that for sure, but I don't know the number of it. It's not even considered a blending brush. It's considered more of a packing brush, but I do this because I don't want the color to go like everywhere. So I just go on the outer corner and I just pat it in, and then I drag it in like this. Okay, so once we get to this point, I will then take that same brown and I'll take a flat smudger brush and I line my lower lash line very lightly. And if you guys have been following me for a while, you'll notice that I kind of stick to the same eyeshadow technique with each look that I do, unless it's like a natural look. You'll see that when I show you a little clip of when I use the other palette, I literally stick to the same routine, just swap out the colors. So you could leave it like this and put mascara on, but I'm gonna show you how I like to amp it up by using the pressed glitter. I know they look a lot similar, but if you notice, this is a little more peachy, this is a little more bronzy. Now be careful because this does have fallout, and if you're not careful, the little glitters will go in your eye, and that's not safe. So I definitely wet my finger for this. Do you see the difference? It's cool, right? That's what it would look like with the glitter shadow. Okay, now that I've got mascara on, we are going to move on to this palette really quick, and then we're gonna move on to the other products that I absolutely love of hers. Okay, so essentially this is the same routine that I did with the warm tone palette. I'm going back and forth with the two transition shades in the palette, the lighter mauve and the deeper mauve, kind of building up that crease just like we did before with the other two transition shades. Once I get it built up to how I like, I will then go underneath my lash line, again using that same brush from before. Going ahead and taking those two transition shades and kind of smudging them on my lower lash line. Once that is done, I will then take the pressed glitter shade in the palette, and I'm skipping the step that I did before of laying down the shimmer color, then the pressed glitter. In this particular palette, the shimmer color is more of like an inner corner or brown bone highlight color. Once that's done, I will take the dark plum color in the palette using a blending brush and blend that in the outer corner and into my crease, along with taking that same brush from before, again using a brush cleaner in between to smudge my lower lash line, and then that look is complete. All right, so we're back. I'm gonna show you the last couple products that I absolutely love of Kylie's, which are her lip liners. You can tell I use this one quite a bit. And her bullet lipsticks. I think Kylie's lip liner formulas are so good. They are creamy, they are pigmented, they do last for a very long time. Like on the lip, you get a bunch, so it lasts for a while. These are actually two lip liners that I have from her lip kits. What I like about these is you could mix and match them with like the bullet lipstick. You can mix and match them with other matte liquid lipsticks. So these are my two favorites. I have Libra, which is like a really, really pale nude. And then I have Malibu, which is like a deeper nude. And then I have her bullet lipsticks in Infatuation and Angel Cake. It's like a pink and a nude. Don't be fooled, this looks darker than it actually is when you put it on. And this is less intense when you put it on. So I'm gonna kind of show you how I like to mix these two. So for today's look, normally I would mix the two, but I don't really feel like it today. So I'm gonna just do the Libra, which is the really pale nude. And what I really like about her stuff is it's very easy to use. I don't like products that are not easy to use. Her lip liners just glide on so easily, you like make no mistakes. So then what I do, I have a process with these two. So I will put the Angel Cake one on first, which is the lighter one. Okay, it's literally all I put on. I mean, how pretty is that just alone? Like, that's so pretty. Then I will take a lip brush, then I will take the bullet of the Infatuation color, which is the pinky color, and I will take it on a lip brush. Like, I literally barely put any on. Now for today's look, today is more warm and more like goldy bronzy, so I will actually blot some of the pink off. And I will actually touch this up with more of Angel Cake. Again, see, that's what I love about these. You could literally alter them to the look that you want. So yeah, there you have it, guys. A little look into my favorite Kylie Cosmetic products. I actually do like her blushes as well. I have one somewhere, but I literally couldn't find it. I think I gave it to my mom, or else I would have used that too. But I do really like her blushes as well. I am dying to get into more of her products, like her concealer and her bronzers and things like that. So if you have any suggestions, or if you would like to see more of Kylie on my channel, please like, subscribe, and comment and let me know. Be sure to also check out the links that I have in the description box, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!